Welcome to this Professional Forex Masterclass course, where I'll be walking you from the basics of Forex to the professional level. Whether you're a complete newbie, you don't know anything about Forex, this course is for you. Let's start. What is Forex? What is this Forex? Forex you'll be hearing about. Forex, it came from a word known as foreign exchange. It just means changing one currency to another currency. It's a global market where currencies are bought and sold. Let's take, for instance, your uncle came back from abroad. He gave you dollars, and you go to markets to change it to Tabuki. You change your dollars for Naira. What you have performed there is Forex. That's just what you performed there, Forex. But it is not run in a physical marketplace. It is run electronically. It is run digitally. Everything is in, let's just put it, everything is inside computer. It is run electronically within banks. 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week. Starts from Monday and run till Friday. Then you rest Saturday and Sunday. Then you start again the next week. The trading volume of Forex in a day is whooping $7.5 trillion, making it the largest and the most traded in the world. See, stock market is only $500 billion is traded per month. Why Forex? 7.5 trillion is traded every day. It's insane. The money in market is crazy. So who are the people that trade Forex? Who are the people that trade Forex? Number one, central banks. They control national currency. They have the Federal Reserve is under them, and they control interest rates. If you borrow money, if you save money, how much interest will you have on it? They control all these things. If they increase interest rate, the market will boom. The market will, anything central bank do, the market will react to it. Number two is commercial bank. They move billions across nations. Corporations, these are big companies. Let's take, for instance, like Dangote Cement. If he wants to buy maybe raw materials for a cement production from another company, what does Dangote have? Dangote have Naira. He has to change it to dollars. That alone is Forex. These people are hedge funds and institutions. These are big Forex companies. They will set up a company, big company, and they will employ professionals that come and trade Forex, look for 2%. They can handle like $100 billion, and they just make 1%. All what they want to do is be making 1% on that $100 billion in a month. That is around $1 million profit in a month, and they are good. They are big companies that trade Forex. Then the last one is retail traders. These are people like me and you. We use the brokers, we use MT4. Later I will explain all of this to trade. This is where me and you fall into the place. So think of it like this, that all these people, they are the major people that move the Forex markets. All these people. You are not going there you can't even dominate. Your buying and selling does not move the market in any form. Whatever you do does not move. It's these people that are moving the market. So the secret to trading is following what they are doing. If they are going up, you follow them. If they are coming down, you follow them. It's not when they are going up, you don't want to go down, you will die. You will die. So you must always follow whatever they are doing. That is just the secret of trading Forex. Remember, you are under these retail traders. That's why you are retail traders. So the business of Forex trading, more or less like advantages of trading Forex. Number one, minimum investment. When I started trading Forex around 2020 or 2019, I used to fund my SNES $10. That is how little you can start Forex. But now SNES have increased their minimum funding to $50. Minimum time commitment. It will not take your whole day. Some people spend like 30 minutes in a whole day on looking at the chart and trading. Some people 1 hour. Some people 2 hours. You can do any other business you want to use your life and do. It's not like it will consume all your whole life. No. It's very, very time flexible. You don't need any employee. You don't need any office. You don't need any company. Just what you need is just your phone and your laptop and good internet connection. Very important. That means if you are living in places like Sango, where there's no internet, you have to migrate to Lagos. Because without this good internet connection, you are completely fucked. You are completely fucked. So what moves the market? What makes the forex market move? Supply and demand. When more people are buying a particular currency, the price of the currency will be increasing. Economic news, inflation, employment, interest rate. I will explain all of this in fundamental analysis. The central bank, whenever they raise or cut interest rates, the market moves. But all these things, I will explain later in fundamental analysis. All these things are what fundamentally cause the market to start moving. You are not in control of anything happening here. People, you should not create forex. Number one, impatient people. You can't wait for your setup to form. Forex will frustrate your life. Number two, you can't handle losses. Now, forex is about you can't be right all the time. You can't even be right 80% of the time. You'll be right about 50% of the time. Next class, I'll teach you how you can use that 50% of the time you'll be right to make good money for yourself. But if you can't handle losses, forex is not for you. Because those losses are part of the game. People who don't follow rules don't trade forex. You are trading with borrowed money or urgent money. You will make irrational decisions you are not supposed to make, and you will blow your whole accounts. You are looking for quick money scheme. Yeah, if you are $10 to $1,000 down, leave here. Don't continue this course. We are not here to get rich quick. Here to grow your income gently. So what do you actually trade? You don't trade money. You don't trade the physical money. You trade something we call currency pairs. These are common currency pairs. Euro USD, this is the most traded among traders. This is like 50% of people trade it. This is pounds. These people, British people, pounds, dollar, USD Japanese. This Japanese yen is US 100. And this is gold. Gold, this SAU is called gold. People, as you are buying gold from a booking, people are trading it digitally on their laptop, on their phone, whether the thing will increase or decrease. So these are the common nickname. Euro, they call it euro, dollar, yen, and so forth and so on. Now, structure of a pair. How is a pair structured? Because that's what you trade, currency pairs. They are quoted in pairs and mostly in 4 decimal places. Euro, USD, 4 decimal places. This euro is called the base currency, This USD is called the quote currency. Why this one is called the pip? All these ones are called pip. This 8 is called pip. How do traders make money? They profit from difference between the entry price and exit price measured in pips. I will explain. Let's take, for instance, you bought at this price. This is like the price. This is the price now of Euro USD. And the thing goes up 1508, and the thing goes up to 4518. That is 10 pips. You want to buy and increase, you have made money. But as you buy this thing now, 4508, and the thing reduced to 4500, you have lost money. That is just how it is. You want, when you buy, the thing should keep on increasing. The numbers should keep on increasing. The bigger the money you put, that is how much you will get. And let's take, for instance, you say you want to reach 4518, and you reach this 4518, and you want to keep it so that the numbers will still increasing. As the number is increasing, that's how your money is also increasing. Trading types and session. When do you actually trade? Sydney, people in Sydney, all these things is our time. People in Sydney, in Australia, they wake up around 10 and start trading, 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. That's when they start trading. And the forex market is always slow around this time. Tokyo people in Asia, they wake up around 12 a.m. and start trading till 9 a.m. The market is always very moderate. There's nearly nothing happening. This is where you're interested in, London and New York. These London people, they wake up around 8 and trade till 5. From this 8, like me, I start looking for setup around 7:30. From this 8, you can start trading. The market will start moving. Then New York people in USA, they wake up around 1 and start trading till 10. Now, there's something we call overlap between London people and New York. It's always between this 1 o'clock to this 7 o'clock. This time period. This time period. The market is so fast. Like, it does buy, the thing does do poo. So this time is always fast, but you can start trading from this 8, 7. This is when all this place, don't bother trading, all these times, don't bother trading there. The market is very, very slow. Nothing is really happening. So your main aim is from around 7, 8 till around 5. You can look for setup anytime between these times and trade. Now, this bid, ask, and spread is mostly about the broker. The way I explain it for you is, let me use Aboki as the broker. If Aboki want to sell dollar to you, he will sell it at 1.6. But if he wants to buy from you, he will buy it at what? 1.5. Now, this price that he sold to you is called the bid price. And this price that he bought from you is called the ask price. The difference in these prices is 100 naira. And that is what you call what? The spread. And this is how Aboki makes his money, this 100 naira. You can calculate this 100 naira times, maybe if he's buying and selling $1,000, $10,000. It's the same way the brokers make their money. The same way Aboki make his money, that's the same way the brokers make his money. One is luck and trade side. Let me explain this for you. Let's say you want to buy a crate of egg. 1 crate of egg, how many will they give you? Like how many pieces? 24 pieces. It's just the same way in Forex. But in Forex, you don't buy it by pieces, you buy it by lots. Let's say you want to buy 2 crates of egg, how many? 48 pieces. That's the same thing in Forex. But in Forex, you don't buy pieces. They call it lots. You buy it by lot. If you want to buy 1 standard lot of any currency, they will give you 100,000 units of that currency. That means if you want to buy 1 lot of, let's say, euros, you are handling 100,000 euros. And any pip, if that euros move by 1 pip, you have get $10. If you move by 2 pip, you have get $20. The same thing. Another one is called mini. Mini is buying 0.1 lot. That is 10,000 units. If you put 0.1, that means you are handling 10,000 units of that currency. And any pip it moves by, if you move from 1.5082 to 1.5083, you have gotten $1. I will explain all of this in leverage and then account sizes. If you buy 0.01, they call it micro lots. You are handling 1,000 units of that currency. And any pip move, this is how much you get for every pip move. Don't worry, I will explain all this thing later. Lot size and how to choose your lot size. But all you need to know is that lot and trade side is the amount, is the unit, is the number of currency you are handling. That's all you need to know. Now, leverage is the borrowing power of your broker. Leverage is your broker allowing you to control a large unit of any currency. Remember, I told you 1 lot is equals to 100,000. Like if you buy 1 lot of Euro USD, is equals to 100,000 units. That's 100,000 euros. Now you have only what? $100. You can't buy 100,000 units with your $100. What will you do? You set your leverage to 100:1. The thing about leverage is that it amplifies your profits. Your profits will look very high and it amplifies your loss. You can easily blow your account with it. Another example, if you have 1,000 in your account, your broker, if you set the leverage to 10:1, your broker can allow you to control $10,000. But this does not mean that it will change your account balance. So this does not mean to change your, it's just your broker allowing you to put as much lot size that you want. That is just what it means. All you need to do is to change the leverage. There's always settings for this in the broker where you can change your leverage. I explain better in risk management how to choose the right lot size so that you don't blow your accounts. All right, let me walk you through the course curriculum, this Professional Forex Trading Course curriculum. Let me walk you through what I'll be teaching in this Forex course. Chapter 1, I've taught you the introduction to Forex trading, everything about what Forex trading is, the business of Forex trading. I've taught you that you don't trade cash, you trade currency pairs, how you go long, how you go short. Then chapter 2, we are going to learn the secret of consistent trading profit. This is the secret of how money is being made in Forex. Please don't miss this chapter 2. Make sure you watch this chapter 2. Because after watching this chapter 2, you will realize why I used to shout on those mentors. You will realize why most of them are scams. This is where you will see whether you can easily take your $100 to $1,000 or $10,000 or $200. You will know the statistics behind consistent profit. You will know how to make money consistently from Forex trading. You will know what makes a successful trader. Please don't miss this chapter 2. In chapter 3, I'll be dealing with brokers. Brokers are places where you keep your money. These are platforms where you store your money. You give them your money you want to trade. They help you manage it, whether you want to withdraw, whether you want to deposit. It's them that manage it for you. Then charting platform. Charting platform is like the platform, is like the marketplace where you buy and sell. There are a lot of them. There's MT4, there's MT5, there's TradingView, there's CTrader, a lot of them. Then I will teach you prop firms. Prop firms are, let's take for instance, you want to manage a 100,000 account, $100,000, and you have, let's say, only $500. With that $500, you can buy that $100,000 account. All you need to do is to pass their challenges and they will give you the account to trade. Whatever profit you make from that $100,000 is your own. I'll teach you how to choose a good prop firm. And I'll teach you how to pass prop firm challenges. Then in chapter 4, we'll enter Forex trading. I'll teach you candlestick, all those candles you used to see, all those things you used to see when you open chart. I'll teach you all of them. Their patterns, one now they call it engulfing pattern. Like this, because this one is bigger. I'll teach you all those things. Time frame, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, what it means, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 1 month time frame, all of them. I'll teach you how to use all of them. Then candlestick, then technical analysis, market trends, markets making higher high. I'll teach you support and resistance. Support and resistance is in this form. Then we move to technical indicators. These technical indicators, a lot of people don't use it again, but a lot of people still use it. It measures what price has done in the past. And it is giving you the direction of, as price is moving, it's giving you the direction. I'll teach you all of them. Me, I don't use it to trade, but some people still use it to trade. So I'll teach you how to use these moving averages. RSI, MACD, I'll teach you all of them. Then we'll go to chapter 5. Risk management, very, very important. I'll teach you the 1%, 2% rule, which means you must risk only about 1% of your capital, or at most 2%. You don't risk 10% here. You don't flip here. We don't do flipping. You understand risk to reward. If you risk that 1%, how much do you want to make in return? We learn how to calculate position sizing, the amount you put. They call it a lot size that you put to trade. I'll teach you all of that. Your stop loss, how to calculate take profit. I'll teach you power of compounding, how to grow your account. Then chapter 6, this is the main cocoa. Smart money concept, ICT, market makers model. I'll teach you market structure, break of structure, liquidity, top hunts. This is what a lot of traders used to trade now. And they combine, I'll teach you fair value gaps. That fair value gaps are gaps whereby institution comes to test before moving up. I'll teach you other blocks, premium and discount zones to trade. Then you will learn how to combine all of them to give you a profitable Forex strategy. You learn liquidity plus break of structure, liquidity plus fair value gap, My strategy I'm trading is from almost everybody that trading online. It's from here they got their strategy. This chapter says. Then chapter 7, we enter fundamental analysis. This is what moves the markets behind the scenes. And it's mainly controlled by central banks, multinational companies. I'll tell you, you will know how to read news. It's from news, you know what will happen. You will know whether that day you should be looking for long or you should be looking for shorts. You understand the fundamentals of market. Like, let's say, for instance, what is going on in USA. A lot of people will use their dollar and be buying gold. So what will happen to gold? The price of gold will be increasing. So you will know that period now. You will not be looking to short gold. You'll be looking towards long gold. So I'll teach you all of that. I'll teach you how to combine it with this SMC strategy, fundamental analysis with SMC. Then we go to chapter 8. This is my favorite. My personal forex strategy. That SMC concept, I simplified it so much to trade. The way I trade, I simplified it so much using top-down analysis, where I go from 1 hour to 30 minutes to 15 minutes. I will know just on my phone. I will know if I want to go long or if I want to go short. With Fibonacci, I will calculate my stop loss and I'll calculate my take profit. Like after learning this course, you don't need laptop to trade anything. Everything you do, maybe just do it with your phone. Then chapter 10 is the conclusion and professional traders mindset, where we learn backtesting, why it is very, very important to always backtest. I'll teach you a lot of backtesting softwares. We have FS testers. We have C-Trader backtesting. We have TradingView. We have Soft4. I will teach you how to use all of them. I'll teach you the power of forward testing, how to forward test. You forward test with your demo account or you forward test with small capital. This is backtesting is checking if your strategy worked in the past. Why forward testing? If your strategy is working in the future. I'll teach you all of that. Then trading psychology, where you manage greed. You learn how to manage greed, learn how to manage losses, learn how to stick to risking 1% or 2% of your capital. I'll teach you all of that in trading psychology, how to be very, very disciplined. Then finally, I'll teach you how to build a professional trading journal. Trading journal is like that thing. Okay, let's take for instance, you go to a POS shop. After anybody withdraw or deposit from POS, you will see the POS girl will be writing it. That thing, all those things she's writing is called trading journal. It helps you to document your trade properly so that you can see how your capital is moving with time. It's a very, very, very crucial thing to do while trading. It genuinely helps you. Let's take for instance, number 1, I went long by this time. By 8:30, I went long. Why did I go long? I saw a break of structure and liquidity sweep on my 1 hour time frame, confluence with my 15 minutes time frame. It was a profit. I made 1:2R. I'll teach you how to do all of that. Why did I create this course? I have so many of my followers asking me, Caleb, come and teach me Forex. And genuinely, I used to always tell them to go to YouTube and learn Forex. But the thing about YouTube is that they complain that the the courses are everywhere. Like once you press Forex trading on YouTube, you see different things, you'll be scattered. A newbie, you don't even know where to start from. That is why I took my time to create this professional Forex course. Everything is well arranged, step by step. Whether you're a newbie, complete newbie, or you're a professional, you will understand everything I teach in this course. My learning story, let me tell you my learning story. I learned from this man, this Singapore man. His name is Adanko. He's a professional forex and stock trader. That's when I learned from him in 2019 or 2020. He runs this company called Perian Profits. He runs a YouTube channel that has about 1 million subscribers on YouTube. He has so many courses. He has a lot. He has option course. He has forex trading course. He has stock course. He has stock trading course. This is the course I learned, this forex trading course. And when I learned it, see the price for the course. This is everything in the course. You see? Since introduction to forex trading, the secrets, you see, it's almost the same thing. But him now is not teaching you SMC strategy. Where he stops at is moving average and mostly technical indicators. That's what he taught. See the price for his course, $873 US. Before it used to be 1588. When I learned this course, it was 1588. But then, of course, I could not afford this 1588. I had to pay somebody about $100 or $200 then. That's what I paid for this course, so that the person will send it for me. So what am I saying? For instance, this my course is worth over $1,000. I know the kind of information I let out in this course. I know the kind of value you're getting out from this course. My plan was always to post it completely free on YouTube. But people, once they see free things, they know to value it. They'll still go and pay for that mentor that is in their mind. So this course will be going for $200. But the first 30 days after this course launch, it will just be going for $100. But after that 30 days, immediately it's going for $200 back. What will you gain from this course? Lifetime access to all the 10 chapters. Anytime, either next 10 years, you can always watch it. Full-time PowerPoint slides. I'll give you notes. I'll give you textbook recommendation. I'll give you a lot of materials. Access to my private student mentorship group will put you so that I'll be giving you updates and I'll be following your journey. Trading tools, audio backtesting tools you need in this world. So chapter 1 and chapter 2 will be posted completely free on this YouTube channel. So after watching that chapter 1 and chapter 2, if you know this Forex is not something you want to use your life and do, or you feel like I cannot teach, I cannot pass knowledge, you leave it completely. You leave it, you go and learn another thing, start hook up. This Forex, at the end of the day, is only 10% of people that trade Forex that win. It's not everybody that wins in this Forex. So if you know you'll be part of that 90% that will lose money, yeah, just leave it. It's not compulsory at all to learn Forex. But if you feel this is something you can do, believe me, best believe you will get the value of your money. I promise you. Make sure the next video will be the chapter 2. Make sure you don't miss that chapter 2. Make sure, very important. I'll see you. God bless you. I still remain Kelebo Kike.